to be an actor. I think what is very important is for you to consistently grow and evolve and work on yourself. That is very important. Whether a film fails, whether a film does well at the box office, that is not in your hands. What is in your hands is how you give your 100%, 200%, where even a film fails, it should never be like, oh, she was not good in the film or he was not good in the film. And also, it's important to just learn, keep growing. You know, you can't, otherwise, you're going to stay at the same place. So, it's very important to stay curious, it's very important to ask questions. In the beginning of my career, and even sometimes now, people on set sometimes make fun of me, whether it's my co-actors or sometimes directors, or like, "Arey, ye bahut sawal poochti hai," or she asks a lot of questions. She's going to ask you 1,000 questions when she comes on set. But I think my way of learning and growing is that if I don't ask questions, it's all going to stay inside. What am I learning? How am I learning? So I would say don't be hesitant to ask questions. Always be curious and always try and keep learning and growing and getting better. Whether you're getting a film, whether you're not getting a film, this is an instrument that you have to keep working, otherwise it's going to get rustic. So I think that is very important. What I have learned in this journey of mine, yes, I've had ups and downs, and I think I'm glad that I did, because I'm glad I got to learn so much from those ups and downs. I'm glad I realized that both the ups and downs are equally temporary, and what matters is how consistent you are. You have to be consistent at what you do, where the ups and downs or the failures of the films don't really affect you. Yes, they affect you in terms of you start questioning your choices and probably learn from your mistakes and recorrect things, but they don't affect you because you have been still your best.
In Bollywood, as an actress, ड्रीम रोल ये बहुत टफ है, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि एक रोल मैं कर लूँ तो उसके बाद कुछ और नहीं करना चाहूँगी. ऐसा कोई नहीं है. अभी बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह के रोल्स हैं जो मैंने नहीं किए हैं, जो मैं करना चाहूँगी. आई वुड लव टू बी अ सुपर वुमन. आई थिंक इंडिया में ज़्यादा हुआ नहीं है. आई वुड लव टू डू एक्शन. I would also love to play a complete negative character. Like I said, I had a lot of fun playing Shelly in Dopatti. She had a touch of grey, but वो touch था थोड़ा और ज़्यादा grey वाला character, क्योंकि ये characters जो है ना वो आपके खुद से बहुत अलग होते हैं और करने में मज़ा आता है, कुछ अलग होता है, आपकी पर्सनालिटी उसमें आप ढूंढ ही नहीं पाते हो. So I would love to do like these characters, and of course I've not done a biopic yet, so I would love to also do a biopic. किसकी मत पूछना, दिमाग में मैं बोल दूँ लेती तो चिंगारी लगा दो. उन्होंने मधुबाला बोल ही दिया है, तो वो तो अगर कोई करना चाहते हैं तो क्यों नहीं. अगर आप राइटर भी हैं, वहाँ आप लिख दीजिए.